Okay, so my name is Anita Alaire Afokogene Asoha. I'm popularly known as Warri Pikin. I'm a master of ceremony, a stand-up comedian. I'm an entertainer. Yeah. First of all, I'm super excited to be part of this. Pius, my friend, and my barrister told me about it a couple of days ago. I cancel everything when I do today. I say, I have to come for this because it is very important. You know, when you do things like this, you're creating awareness, you're, crying for justice for all. Because, as a matter of fact, a lot of people, the narrative out there is that justice is only for people that have money. Justice for only people that are rich. Poor man, they go arrest poor man, go there 2, 3, 4, 5 years, go court, they go charge them to court. Justice has to be for everybody. So this work is very important, and that's why I'm part of it. And I hope that there will be change, when they go arrest. And sometimes they use the justice system, they bully people. Person you just the call police, the next thing bully, not carry person, you go person where they innocent. I hope that this will become a movement, and it will not just be a movement, but an effective one.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
I'm Mr. Pius Okwawadwa. I'm a partner in the firm of Preston and Grace. The significance of this initiative, which we call the Walk for Justice initiative, is to draw once again the attention of the federal government, the attention of all the stakeholders of the justice system to the defects and the dysfunctionality in the justice delivery system in Nigeria. And we are here to accentuate the need for reforms of the justice system. The perception of Nigeria's justice system by the public is very poor. It's at its lowest ebb. And we need to come together as a nation to start to reform our justice system, to impute and instill confidence of the common man in the justice system. So that's why we're working. We're working to draw attention to the need for reforms in our justice system.
On behalf of the National Human Rights Commission, I extend our warmest greetings and deepest appreciation to all those participating in the work for justice. The noble initiative exemplifies the collective commitment to upholding human rights and ensuring justice to all. Your dedication to work for justice serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of promoting accountability, transparency, and fairness in our society. As advocates of human rights, your strides symbolizes progress towards more just and equitable world. Your dedication to raise awareness and demand accountability inspires us as to continue our effort in safeguarding the fundamental human rights and dignity of every individual. We commend our unwavering dedication and preservation in promoting justice and human rights for all. Your work not only represents physical journey, but also a symbolic movement towards a more just society. As you embark on this, know that the NHRC stands in solidarity with you. Together, let us continue to strive for justice and equality and human dignity for all. Thank you.
On behalf of the Controller General of Nigerian Correctional Service, Haridu Nambaba, I am Correctional Service. I'm here to welcome everyone and also to appreciate Work for Justice initiative, which Nigerian Correctional Service identify and also advocate for human rights for the prison inmates that are in the correctional custodial centers everywhere in the country. Transition from prison service to correctional service, indicative of that the correctional service also working towards the human right realization of the inmates that are in the correctional centers. And we certainly believe that this very work will advance the cause of the service to ensuring that everyone that is in our custodial center will receive the services that is upright for humanity and the dignity that every person deserves.
I bring greetings from the Director General Legal Aid Council, Mr. Aliu Bagudu Abubakar. Legal Aid Council is actually set up to provide free legal assistance to the indigents in Nigeria. And we just feel that our mandate is in tandem with what we are doing today, working for justice. One of our scope is to ensure that every citizen in Nigeria has access to justice. And that is why this work for justice is quite important to us. And we are using this medium to actually call on all stakeholders in the justice sector to ensure that people are able to access justice at whatever level, at whatever place they reside. And we're actually in support of this work for justice today. Thank you.
Enjoy.